Number 1. 1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,650. It features a sleek silver exterior paired with a gray leather interior, and runs on gasoline. The Sierra still runs and drives like a brand new truck. The 5.7L V8 engine performs exceptionally well, so smooth and quiet that it's barely audible at idle. The transmission shifts flawlessly, thanks to a new Goodwrench transmission that was installed at around 200,000 miles. The truck shows no signs of leaks, smoke, rattles, or engine knocks, and there are no warning lights on the dashboard. Its paint remains immaculate, with only a few minor scratches consistent with age. Inside, the leather seats are in outstanding shape, showing just normal wear on the driver's seat cushion. The dashboard, carpet, headliner, and door panels are all exceptionally clean and well preserved. This Sierra comes fully loaded, with every feature working as intended. It's been recently serviced with a fresh oil change, and also benefits from new tires and a new battery, ensuring reliability and a smooth driving experience. Number 2. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,800, well-preserved classic pickup that reflects both strength and style. It has approximately 200,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with a manual transmission, offering a more engaging driving experience. The truck features a striking blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior, maintaining a timeless, cohesive look that captures the essence of vintage American trucks. Under the hood, it houses a powerful 350 V8 engine combined with a 4x4 drivetrain, providing impressive performance on and off the road. The vehicle holds a clean U.S. title, and according to the current condition report, the engine, transmission, and suspension are all operating at 100%, showcasing excellent maintenance and care throughout its life. Number 3. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. This truck has 117,000 miles, a manual transmission, and a green exterior with a gray interior. It runs on gasoline and remains in excellent, rust-free condition. A two-owner truck with a clean Carfax showing no accidents or damage. It was purchased from an elderly gentleman and has been kept mostly factory original. Powered by a 4.3L V6 engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive, it runs and drives great. The only minor flaw is the poorly applied window tint, which just needs removal. The truck includes the factory spare tire, jack, and owner's manual, with only the window sticker missing. Technically, the current owner is the third but never titled it. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1991 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,500. It has approximately 114,000 original miles on the odometer and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, giving it a classic and bold appearance. It sits on 22-inch vision wheels, although two of the tires tend to lose air over time. The original factory wheels are also included with the truck. Recently, several maintenance updates have been completed, including a new alternator, new fuel pump, new start sensor, and a full tune-up, ensuring the truck remains in good running condition. However, the engine currently produces a ticking noise, which could potentially be an easy fix, possibly related to an exhaust manifold gasket leak or another minor issue. Number 5. 2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. With 153,000 miles on the odometer, it remains strong and reliable, powered by a gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The exterior comes in a sleek gold finish, complemented by a brown interior, giving it a timeless and rugged appeal. Recently fully serviced, the Chevy is truly road-ready and equipped with brand new tires mounted on sharp black wheels for a bold, confident stance. Inside, it features a Bluetooth audio system with 8-inch subwoofers, delivering impressive sound quality for music lovers. A handy toolbox is also included, making it practical for both work and leisure. Combining its classic stepside design with modern upgrades, this 2000 Chevrolet 1500 offers the perfect blend of style, performance, and functionality. Number 6. 1999 Toyota Tacoma, price $9,999, well-maintained and reliable pickup that has covered 166,000 miles. It's powered by Toyota's durable 3.4L V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a responsive and engaging driving experience. With its 4WD drivetrain, this Tacoma is equally capable on highways or rugged terrain, making it an ideal choice for both daily use and weekend adventures. The truck features a clean white exterior with a gray interior that complements its rugged yet classic look. Inside, the cabin remains in excellent condition, seats are free from tears, and the upholstery has been carefully preserved. The overall interior presentation reflects the vehicle's careful ownership and light use. On the outside, the Tacoma shows only minor cosmetic blemishes typical for its age, yet it still maintains a strong, well-kept appearance. Number 7. 1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000. It sports a white exterior with a blue interior, powered by a 305ci gasoline engine paired with a 4L60E transmission, which was replaced with a Jasper unit in 2023. The truck has been tastefully upgraded with a 3-inch body lift and a MagnaFlow catback exhaust system, giving it a more commanding stance and a deeper tone. Inside, the cabin is in excellent condition, featuring a new Pioneer head unit with Bluetooth connectivity and new door speakers for improved audio quality. The bed is protected with a Line X coating, and the vehicle is equipped with a Reese hitch and trailer brakes, making it ready for towing. A new grille has also been installed, adding to its refreshed appearance. While overall well-maintained, the tailgate latch could use some adjustment, and the windshield has a crack running from the center to the passenger side. Number 8. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,700. The exterior is finished in green, complemented by a tan interior, and it runs on gasoline, powered by a 5.7L V8 Vortec engine. The truck runs and drives very strong, showing no mechanical issues or check engine lights. It is equipped with power seats, a 6-foot bed, and a tow package, making it practical for both daily driving and work use. The air conditioning blows cold, and the heater works perfectly, ensuring comfort in any season. While the truck remains mechanically sound and dependable, it does have some cosmetic flaws consistent with its age and use. The seats show wear and tears from years of work, and the carpet is somewhat dirty. Despite these minor imperfections, it is a solid and reliable truck that performs well and is ready to take you wherever you need to go. Number 9. 1992 Dodge D250, price $9,700, shows about 142,000 miles and is powered by a diesel engine with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a gray interior, it retains a clean, classic look that matches its era. The truck holds a clean title and has been well maintained rather than modified. The killer dowel pin has been addressed, and it recently received a fresh oil change and new transmission fluid. It shows minimal surface rust, all non-structural, and wears a patina finish that suits its vintage character. Mechanically, it starts, idles, and drives strong, with no blow-by and overall solid performance, a reliable and mostly original example of Dodge's early 90s diesel toughness. Number 10. 1985 Chevrolet C10, price $6,500. The truck is in good running and driving condition, currently registered and tagged for the road. It is powered by a strong 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and equipped with headers, offering a classic muscle sound and dependable performance. Although the truck is fully functional, it does need some bodywork to bring it back to its best shape. Fortunately, the required front fender and door are already included with the sale. It comes with a clean Texas title on hand, making the transfer process easy and straightforward. This C10 features a solid drivetrain, smooth shifting, and a powerful engine.